Hi everybody! Thanks for joining us at Looking Glass Travel. Recently, a recipe was posted on the My Disney Experience app, and they gave us instructions on how to make a Dole Whip at home. So we're going to try. So thank you for joining us. We have our ice cream and our 2 cups of frozen pineapple. It was kind of hard to find some frozen pineapples, so what we did was we took canned pineapple, we drained the juice out of it, and we froze it in a Ziploc bag. We have 4 ounces of pineapple juice, Dole pineapple juice. We have our Dole pineapple right there, and we have our ice cream. And what it calls for in a blender, of course we need a blender. It calls for 1 big scoop of ice cream, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, and 2 cups of frozen pineapple. So we're going to put this all in the blender and see what happens. Okay, everything's in there. We're going to turn it on and see what we get. I'm going to try the slowest one first. Looks like it's getting nice and fluffy down there. Turn it up just a little. Let's push some of that down. Okay, I think we got most of it in there, but it looks like we still have some chunks. So I'm going to open the top of it and mush it around a little bit. See what we can do. Make sure that all those pineapple chunks are all mushed up, okay? Now we got it. There was a lot of chunks still left in there. So when I opened it up and I mushed it around, got all those chunks to go down to the bottom. So now I'm going to use my little handy dandy thing here to make sure that, see? Tell that it's getting all the chunks in there. About ready. Think so. That is a Dole Whip. Oh, it's so yummy. And we can try it. So good. It is so yummy. And in some places, you can actually get a Dole Whip with rum. So we got some rum. You can get a Dole Whip float, and you can get a Dole Whip with rum. So we're going to try it a couple of different ways. Hang on. Okay, we have our first taste tester. It's Charlie from Through Charlie's Eyes.
It smells good.
It smells good. Okay, so what do you think?
It smells like pineapples.
Well, of course, it's got pineapple in it. What do you think? What do you think? Tastes like a Dole Whip? I think so. We got a winner. All right, go and enjoy your Dole Whip, and I'm going to show them how to make a Dole Whip float, which includes pineapple juice. You put the pineapple juice in first, and then we put the Dole Whip on top of it. Oh, it's so yummy. Okay, go enjoy your Dole Whip. Have fun. That looks cold. It's very cold.
And it's got it on the sweet side.
So when you want to make a Dole Whip float, you put in the pineapple juice first. Then you put in the Dole Whip. And if you want to make it a grown-up version, you're going to add some rum. So, we're going to add some rum to this one. Let's see how that goes. So we're just going to try some coconut rum, just because that's what we could find. So we'll put some coconut rum in there. Just a little bit. Okay. I don't know exactly how much rum we're supposed to have. And now we're going to add the Dole Whip. So there's our Dole Whip float. Ooh, I'm so excited to try it. Let me see how it tastes. Okay, here we go. We're going to try it. Very yummy with the coconut rum. That is really good. Okay, thank you for joining us. As you can see, we are very pleased with the way the recipe came out. And make sure to click subscribe and follow along with us. We'll be posting many more recipes from the parks. Thanks. We'll see you soon. Bye.